A frustrated mom reached her breaking point. Her child screamed and kicked, lost in his own world. She paused, took a mindful breath, preparing a tiny psychological trick. The child's cry escalated, hitting and kicking everything around. Mom observed his micro-expressions without raising her voice. Each second, she silently mapped his fight-or-flight reactions. Tears in her eyes, she felt helpless but stayed calm. She reminded herself, connection greater than control. One subtle behavioral cue could shift his entire mindset. Then she stopped shouting completely. She bent slightly to eye level and asked a soft, curious question. Instantly, a tiny cognitive switch flipped in the child's brain. Screaming and kicking slowed within seconds. The child glanced at her calmly, curiosity replacing chaos. Mom recognized the power of empathetic attention. In less than 2 minutes, the meltdown dissolved completely. The child started smiling and pointing at the TV screen. Mom felt shocked and intrigued by this mind psychology effect. This wasn't magic, it was neuroscience in action. One small shift activated his prefrontal cortex, not amygdala. Emotional storm, logical thinking in a flash. When kids tantrum, their brain enters fight or flight mode. Yelling spikes fear and stress hormones. One smart question triggers curiosity, engagement, and reasoning. That single question made him feel seen and understood. Connection replaced chaos. Trust replaced resistance. Peace replaced screaming almost instantly. What was that one question that changed everything? How does it rewire any child's behavior so quickly? Part 2 reveals the exact words and why it works like magic.